Good evening, everybody. This is the example of slideshow and the face recording. So today here we will see the drilling and related operation, drilling machine and its accessories. So let's see the working principle of the drilling machine. So the definition of drilling machine is that the drilling is an operation of making a circular hole by removing a volume of material from the job by cutting tool called as a drill. So here you can see that this is the drill which is on the cutting edges. A drill is nothing but a rotary end cutter tool with one or more cutting leaves and usually one or more flutes. The flutes are provided on the drilling machine so as to very easily remove the chips. The drilling machine is the tool designed for drilling a holes in the metal. So here we observe that there is a hole which has been made into the material. Then the basic purpose of the drilling machine is that mainly it is used for the making a hole. Hole can be through or it can be a blind hole. Means from the another end it is a opaque or only there is only one end open. So that hole can be of a different diameter or varying length, and also it can be produced in a different materials. But the hole, it is very difficult to produce it on a very hard material or also in a very soft material like a rubber, polythene, etc. Now let's see the elements of drilling machine. What are the different parts of the drilling machine? So here we have the four pillar drilling machine where the different parts are the base. Here the base on which the all the parts of the drilling machine is based, and there is a vertical that is called as a column. So this so over the vertical column different parts are mounted. So the column is mounted on the base, and there is a table which is mounted or clamped to the column. And here the motor is there, which is also the upper part of the column. It is mounted on the one side, and on the another side there is arrangement bracket and the spindle arrangement is there called the drill head, which is there which hold the spindle, and the chuck which is used to hold the drill bit. And that another end of this drill head there is a pulley arrangement, and that pulley is connected by means of a belt to another pulley which are mounted on the spindle of the motor. So now let's see the working principle. So the working principle of the machine that when we switch on the power, the motor rotates. Thereby, it is the spindle of that motor rotates, and the pulley which are there on that spindle rotates, and it will drive the another means the pulley which is mounted on the drill head. And that since that these pulleys are mounted on the spindle of the drill head, the spindle gets rotated, and since over the spindle it is drill is held by means of a chuck, therefore that the drill is rotated about its center and the feed is given to this handle. So when this drill touches the material it starts removing the material, and by pushing downward, uh, then that is called as the depth of cut, that is called as the feed advancement of the tool per revolution of the uh, tool is called as a feed. So that as per the feed, the material is removed from the work material which is mounted on the table. In this way, we can produce a hole. Elements of drilling machine are the head, spindle, drill chuck, then the base table, column, etc. Now let's see the classification of drilling machine. So we have the different classification drilling machine. The first classification is the portable drilling machine. Second is the sensitive drilling machine. Under the sensitive drilling machine, we have the bench mounting and the floor mounting. And third category is the pillar type drilling machine, which we have just seen in the previous slide. that a round column section or the box column section. Then the fourth category is the radial drilling machine. So under the radial drilling machine we are having the three types: the plain drilling machine, semi-universal drilling machine, and the universal drilling machine. The another classification is the gang drilling machine. Then the next is the multiple spindle drilling machine, and the last one is the deep hole drilling machine. So in case of the gang drilling machine, the different spindles are run by the independently at a different place. So at a time, so different holes can be made. So that's why it is called as a gang drilling machine. And the multiple spindle machine, drilling machine, there the different spindles are there, but those are run by a single motor. So the difference between the gang drilling machine is that every spindle is having its own motor rotated, whereas in case of a multiple spindle drilling machine, all the spindles are run by only one motor. Now let's see the portable manual handle machine. I hope that everybody might have used this portable manual hand drilling machine. So then we have the portable powered hand drill machine, which is Java record, which is run by means of electric power or the hydraulic pneumatic power also sometimes is used. Then we have the tabletop small sensitive drilling machine, or also called as a bench drilling machine, since this machine is mounted on the table and the drilling operation is saved by the hand, therefore it is called as a sensitive drilling machine. Then next is the pillar drilling machine. See the different parts of the pillar drilling machine. So this is what about the video of the image slideshow with a face recording. I am very much thankful to the Rama College of the Delhi for uh, for organizing the FDP and enabling me to record the different videos for the teaching learning process. And I hope that definitely I will use such a videos for the teaching purpose. Thank you very much.